Gary Neville, Joseph Calleja, it-tnejn id-dar, it-tnejn lockdown, wieħed Malta, wieħed Londra, konverzazzjoni flimkien. Dinja biċċa minna.
Gary Neville, plejer internazzjonali u ex-captain tal-Manchester United. Joseph Calleja, konsidrat bħala l-aqwa tenur tad-dinja. Jiltaqgħu.
How are you, Joseph?
I'm fine. I'm fine. This is a déjà vu, sort of. But yeah, I'm absolutely fine. And I'm looking forward. First of all, I'm honored to meet you virtually. That is. And I'm thrilled. It's not that I'm not a Manchester United fan, but I know football and I know you're from football. And it's just quite surreal to have you here in front of me, as many will feel when they see this video.
You're not a Liverpool fan, are you?
My uncle is. Uncle Lewis is.
Oh, no, we don't like Uncle Lewis.
He probably disowned from his side of the family for this. But hey, I mean, it's what it is.
Who do you support, Joseph?
Since a young age, I support Inter Milan. Inter. I'm from the Italian side of Malta. Malta has two sides.
I remember being over in Malta one summer and being knocked out of the tournament. I'd already gone on holiday to Malta, and Italy was still in the tournament, as per usual. And Italy won a game. I can't remember what game it was or what tournament. All the thousands of fans.
How do you feel? Because I would presume it's a bit similar when I go on stage in front of 4,000 people. But you sometimes you have 60, 70,000 and north of that. How does it feel when it's the final?
There is nothing in my life makes me feel like that moment of standing in the tunnel before I walk out onto the pitch, where the fans are there, the anticipation, that everybody's watching around the world. And you think, I was a defensive player. I was a bit more anxious, whereas somebody like Rooney was just completely free and felt like this was the place he wanted to be all his life. I mean, how do you feel when you just about to walk onto stage? Anxious or free?
It's pretty much the same. What I find is that if I'm gonna sing, and this different performers, they vary. Like football players vary. I'm sure how they deal with it. You're one of the first hoteliers who actually offered your hotel to the NHS. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Huge cases over here in the UK. And I was with Winston Zara, who obviously is who's our leader in our hospitality company, and we started talking about could we potentially make our hotels available for the NHS and for the medical professionals. And we've now got about 90 rooms out of our 170 that are full. I know that you've got a foundation, Joseph, that you do a lot of work with young people to give them an opportunity and a chance to make the best of themselves.
A few years ago, I said, I approached Banco Valletta. I said, will you do this with me? That really helped me a lot with this. And we have raised around €1 million in the past 5 years, with by Maltese standards is massive. And now we have more than 70 scholars from all the plethora of the performing arts.
Is there anybody that's going to be as good as you when they're older that you're mentoring at the moment?
I hope there's going to be many who are going to be better than me. There is a youngster from Gozo. He's 20 years old, not 21. Charles Buttigieg. You never can believe this fake lies, okay? Honestly, this is all fake lies. And you should be ashamed to be a journalist like that. You shouldn't repeat those stuff, okay? Me and Melania, we're doing everything against the COVID. Nobody knows COVID as much as us, okay? Honestly, really, true. It's a bad imitation.
Il-konverzazzjoni kollha bejniethom flimkien ma' ħafna intervisti u features oħra ma' nies famużi tistgħu tarawhom fuq il-website ġdida li għadha kemm twaqfet apposta għal dan iż-żmien. maltatogether.com. Fuq din il-website ukoll qed jinġabru fondi għal food banks u il-patruni tal-website qed jgħidu li jiġbru kemm jiġbru dak se jirdupjaw. S'issa ġabru 5,000 allura dawk se jkunu 10,000. Tista' tidħol u tgħinhom